Some weeks ago, I promised to make a video on how to apply for a Brazilian tourist visa by yourself. And since then, I haven't found the time to shoot and upload that video. And I've been getting random messages from people reminding me to upload the video. That is why I'm here today. So if this is what you'd love to watch, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. By the way, I'm Berry Umez, your favorite travel consultant from Travel Remedy. So now let's talk about the Brazilian tourist visa, starting from at least getting to know about the country. Brazil is a South American country, if not the largest South American country, popularly known for its diverse culture. I'm sure you guys must have heard about the Brazilian carnival that happens every year, and also it is the largest producer of coffee and sugarcane. The language is Portuguese. They offer citizenship by birth just like America and Canada, so most Nigerians go there for birth tourism. They go there to give birth and get dual citizenships for their children. Now I'm going to list out the requirements needed for you to apply for a Brazil tourist visa, which means that if you don't have any of these documents, you need to provide it before you start the application, because there is a website I'm going to show you guys the website that you need to apply to go to apply for this Brazil tourist visa. It has an online form that you need to fill out. It has some documents that you need to provide and upload. Complete your online application, then you also book an appointment to go to VFS Global Office for submission of your documents, right? So we're starting from the passport. You must have a valid passport of at least 6 months validity. You must have your passport photograph. They have their requirements, which is 3 cm by 4 cm on a white background. You must have your return tickets to prove that you're actually going to return to your home country. You'll also be needing your proof of accommodation, your hotel reservation, or if you have someone over there that can write you an invitation letter including their address to show that they'll be accommodating you during your stay there, and they'll be taking care of you during your stay there until you leave the country. But if you don't have anyone, you can just provide your proof of accommodation, the location where you're going to stay, and your hotel reservation for the period of time that you're going to be spending in Brazil. They will also need additional documents, like maybe if you're married, your marriage certificate. If you are maybe have a landed property, just to prove your ties in your home country, you can also add that as a supporting document. Also your proof of financial means. If you are working, you can submit your employment letter to prove that you're actually working with your salary account. If you're not working, you have a business that you're doing, you can provide your CAC of your business, and also statement of account for your corporate account of that particular business that has a CAC, and also your personal account. Thank you. You'll also be needing your health insurance. It is very important. Most people have been denied visas in the past because they don't have a health insurance. It is very, very important that you also have your health insurance included in the documents that you're using to apply for this visa. The visa fee is actually just $85. When you're done applying online, you upload all the documents that is required, both the supporting documents, everything that is needed or that is requested or required from you. Then you need to pay the $85 visa fee before you submit your application online. And also those documents that were requested or required from you, you need to gather all those documents and go and submit it. Book an appointment, go and submit it. Submit the documents. They have an office in Lagos here. You can go to VFS Global Office for your submission. And also the processing time takes 10 to 15 working days after submission for them to process your visa. I'll also be showing you the site where you, on this iPad right now, I'll be showing you the site where you can apply. Just give me a moment. Let's get right into it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you the site that you need to go to apply for this visa. by yourself. You don't need to pay anybody millions of naira to help you apply for your Brazil tourist visa. That is why you have me here. If you have any questions after now, you can always, click on the link in my bio. You see the travel remedy community link, and you can, drop any questions that you have, and our team will be right there to attend to all your questions. So now let's get right into it. This is my tablet, or you can use your system. You can apply with if you have a system, you can even apply with your phone. Once you've gathered all your documents and put it in the right form that it's supposed to be, it could be in a PDF format. Some documents are required in a PDF format, and some documents are required in just a JPEG format. You can even do this application on your phone, but I suggest that you always use your system, or if you have a tablet, you can use it just for a bigger screen. You just need a bigger screen to be able to access all the features or the prompts you get on the side, because your phone has a tiny screen, and most times you'll not really display everything that you need on the screen of your phone. That's why you need bigger screens like a tablet, an iPad, or your system, laptop, your whatever, desktop, anything, any big screen at all. So now you go to your browser. We have so many browsers. If you're using Safari, you can go to your Safari browser. If you're using Chrome, you can go to your Chrome browser. So on this iPad, I'm going to be going to my Chrome browser. I hope you're seeing it. This is my Chrome browser, right? And then this is the search button. This is the search, right? Now this is the search. So we're going to be typing Brazil evisa, right? You just type Brazil evisa. You see that? Brazil evisa, right? So go. So when you get to this Brazil evisa, you see so many sites there. So make sure you're just clicking on the right one. Are you seeing? If you scroll all the way up, all the way down, you see so many sites there. So make sure you're clicking on the right one. So we're using the first one, the government approved site. This one now is written in Portuguese. For those that can understand Portuguese, you can just click on this one. You can follow the prompts on this particular site if you understand Portuguese. But yeah, we are Nigerians, and most Nigerians do not understand Portuguese, so I'm going to be going for the English version. So here, this one right here is the English version, right? So I'm going to click on it, right? It's loading. I'm going to click on it. It has loaded, right? Are you seeing it? So we go to, if you go here, are you seeing it? This is the site. Then you see apply visa, apply e-visa, and how to apply. It's just very easy. So I'm going to click on apply e-visa, right? So this is it, apply e-visa. If you already have an account with them, you can just click here on login, right? Or if you don't have an account with them already, you need to. So like I was saying, if you don't have an account, you need to sign up. If you already have an account, you just click on your login. And if you don't have an account, you just, okay, this is the login. If you have an account, you just click on login. And if you don't have an account, you just sign up and you put your email address. Make sure it's a formal and genuine email address, not sexybody@gmail.com. Just formal, something with your name that you go through constantly, because this is where you'll be getting all your updates for your visa application. So you input your email address, a correct email address. You input your current nationality. If you're Nigerian, you put your put Nigerian, right? And then your phone number, your correct phone number with the country code. You get an OTP for you to be able to sign up and agree on the terms and conditions, and you follow the prompts and input every details that is required of you, upload every document that is required of you, and when you are done, you pay your visa fee, you click on submit, right? When you click on submit, you go ahead to book an appointment, and also submit your documents. So if you have any questions, like after submitting, the process takes um, 10 to 15 working days for your visa to be ready. After submitting and after going for your appointment, though, right? So it takes 10 to 15 working days for your visa to be ready. So you just have to be patient. Most time it takes more time, depending if there's holidays in between. A lot of factors can make your visa take more than the usual time, but just be patient. You'd always get an update on that particular email sent to your email. You can always easily track your visa as well, visa process. If you think it's taking more time than usual, you can be able to go to the site and track your visa application and know what's up with your application, right? So it is very easy. If you have any questions, you can always click on the link in my bio, the Travel Remedy community. My team and I would be always ready to respond to all your questions, right? And you can also put your questions in the comment section. I'd always go through the comments to be able to respond to any messages or any questions or any comments, okay? So, I am your favorite travel consultant, Berry Ramirez of Travel Remedy. Um, do well to subscribe, like, share, comment. I feel very bad sharing all these very important information. This is my job. These are things I put forward on my table and then I'm sharing it here for free. I'll only feel bad or I'll only be sad when you people are not engaging or watching and sharing my videos. Please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.